So in this video I just going to show. Hi friends, in this video we just going to see a best overview of a WPS Office Word or Writer. So it's a best alternative for Microsoft Office Word because it's a free version of the Word. So you can use it on you can use it here. So it's actually free, and we just going to see the overview and the basic thing about the WPS Office Word or Writer. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. So the WPS Office is the best alternative for Microsoft Office Word. The Microsoft Office Word is a paid version, but WPS Office document is a free version. It's best alternative for the Microsoft Office and for the Word. So you can just search as WPS Office on Google. Then you can see the first official website and click here. And here you can make a free download. There's a two type of download. One is a download and you can install, and second one is the offline installer, which means it's download file size be in a MB 400 MB or 200 MB, something like that, and you can install the WPS Office whenever wherever you want. So okay, let's go inside the WPS Office and make the overview. Can see the overview. So this is the overview of WPS Office, and here you can easily access the document, which is alternative for Microsoft Word, spreadsheet, which is alternative for Excel, presentation, which is alternative for PowerPoint. You just need to click on the document option here. So the document has been opened, which means a WPS Word has been opened. So here in the you can see on the top the WPS Office, and here you can see the recent files that you opened and stored. You can make a favorite for your files, and you can share the files, you can receive files, and lot of other tools are also given here. And if you want a dog theme here, you can click on the theme setting and you can see a dog theme, automatic theme, or light theme, and there's also a lot of the themes. They have been categorized on festival, color, dog, premium, simple, cartoon, and fresh. And also the custom option, which brings you a custom color. You can choose the color variety from a color wheel from here. So and the background image, you can also choose the background image that you want to upload here. After that, you just can change the font of the WPS Office from here, and you can also adjust the percentage of the size. And if you change it, you just don't want a setting, custom setting, you just click on the reset setting option here. Then the third option was the icon. You can have a default option. So just going to inside the Word document. So here whenever you open, you have a blank document to get started the blank Word or blank document, and you have also a lot of the templates. And you can also have categories of letter, resume, invitation letter, poster, and works, and I also have a template show that you can download many more templates from here. So just opening a blank document here. So this is the overview of the WPS Office Word or document. So you can see every options are same as like a WPS Office. You can see the home, insert option, page layout, reference, review, view options, and also many other tools which gives to convert as PDF, export as pictures, and you want to print or whatever that you want. There is a lot more advanced option also you can find here, and the premium option which brings you extra tools to your document. So you can use the free options to get more specialized data for your documents. So I think this video clear about the starting of WPS Office document. I think you can watch the entire tutorial, which brings you a basic knowledge and also the advanced knowledge about WPS Office, and you can easily use every tool after watching the entire tutorial. So this is the first video which I just making an overview of the document, and the following videos will show to learn a lot more about the WPS document. And I think this video is help you a lot. If it is really help you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.